Imagine this. You wake up and your inbox is already sorted, your morning report is done, your meeting notes are summarized, and you haven't touched your laptop. It might sound like a dream, but for many businesses, this is already the new normal. From automated emails to scheduled newsletters, it's starting to feel like we've stepped into a new era of automation. But this isn't about smart tools or helpful apps. What we're witnessing is a fundamental shift, and at the center of it is something called AI agents. Now, you might be wondering, aren't AI agents just another buzzword? Not quite. To see why they matter, we need to look back at where this all started. Back in late 2022, ChatGPT went viral, and the world collectively grasped at what large language models could do. These models could write code, summarize complex texts, and answer tough questions with stunning fluency. It was powerful, yes, but also passive. You'd ask, and it would answer, but nothing happened unless you initiated it. The real transformation began when these large language models stopped being passive brains and started gaining arms and legs. In other words, when they were turned into AI agents. An AI agent isn't just something that generates text, it's a system that can act. It takes goals and executes tasks on your behalf. It reads emails, fills out forms, updates spreadsheets, even controls other applications, all based on a few lines of instruction or a single click. If large language models are the brains, then AI agents are the full bodysuit. And here's the catch. This shift is happening fast. Microsoft, for instance, recently announced their new Copilot Studio. It's not just a chatbot. It allows agents to actively use a computer, interact with interfaces, and automate workflows without human input. You can literally ask it to check your sales pipeline, update your CRM, and email your top clients. Over at Google Cloud, Verizon deployed a conversational AI system built with Vertex AI to assist customer service reps. The result was a 40% jump in sales. And then there's HubSpot, a CRM giant. Earlier this year, they launched Breeze, a set of AI agents that help small businesses generate content, follow up on leads, and analyze customer behavior, automating what used to take hours and doing it in seconds. But let's step away from the tech companies for a moment. Why does this matter to you or to any business trying to grow in today's economy? Because AI agents change the economics of productivity. They bring down the cost of labor, reduce the margin of error, and allow businesses to scale operations without scaling headcount. Imagine running a small e-commerce store and suddenly being able to afford a virtual assistant that writes all your product descriptions, updates your inventory system, and sends out weekly promotions. Not only afford it, but have it working 24/7. According to Market Report, the AI agents market is projected to grow by over $42 billion by 2029, driven by rising demand for hyper-personalized digital experiences and the expansion of AI-powered platforms. The last time we saw this kind of systemic change, it was probably when cloud computing started replacing physical servers, and we all know how that turned out. What's even more compelling is how low the barrier to entry has become. Platforms like NAN and Zapier are low-code environments that allow non-developers build their own AI agents using simply drag-and-drop tools. Think of them like Lego blocks. You tell it, at 8 o'clock, ask ChatGPT to summarize my emails. If any are urgent, forward them to my Slack, then schedule my tasks in Notion. You build it once, and from then on, it runs on its own. Of course, it's not all magic. With great automation comes great responsibility. Businesses need to ensure their data pipelines are secure, their automations don't trigger unintended consequences, and that there's transparency in how decisions are made. Trust is still a major factor, especially when you are handing over parts of your workflow to a non-human system. But the trend is clear. Those who embrace AI agents early will move faster, operate leaner, and complete smarter. Think of it this way. 10 years ago, the winners were the ones who adopted cloud tools early. Today, it's the businesses that understand how to work with AI as a team member that will pull ahead. Even on an individual level, this shift is visible. Freelancers are now using personal AI agents to manage client onboarding, write pitch emails, and even follow up on unpaid invoices. Students are building agents to summarize lecture notes and organize their study plans. Content creators, they are automating everything from script generation to thumbnail suggestions. But here's the twist. The real value of AI agents doesn't lie in what they do alone. It lies in how they adapt. Take the similar AI's new X-squared agent for example. Instead of relying on a single system like GPT-4, it combines diverse AI models with specialized roles. It assesses which model is best for each task, then delegates accordingly. It's like running a company where each AI employee has a specific job and the manager, also an AI, assigns tasks for maximum efficiency. This kind of multi-agent collaboration is the next frontier. It's what sets this moment apart from past AI trends. We are no longer just using AI as a powerful tool. We are beginning to build it as core infrastructure, something that powers and connects every part of a business. AI agents are already here, quietly transforming how we work. And the best part, you don't have to be an expert to get started. Whether you are running a company, launching a project, or just exploring, now's the perfect moment to lean in, experiment, and shape the future alongside them.